Greetings from Galaxy Sivtek. We are a well-reckoned engineering company providing standard and customized sieving and filtering solutions for more than 2 decades to various process industries across the world. We are India's biggest manufacturer, providing a range of machines for solid-to-solid separation and liquid-to-solid separation. We would like to introduce you to our self-cleaning filter, which is one of the most cutting-edge, automated filtering systems used for filtering liquid, having a viscosity range from watery liquid to highly viscous slurry. It can be useful for various process industries. Now let's understand the working principle of self-cleaning filter. It works on the principle of differential pressure, which is flowing of liquid from the higher pressure region to the lower pressure region, and has a viscosity range to filter liquid material from 1 centipoise to more than 50,000 centipoise. It has a specially designed trapezoidal-shaped wedge wire basket that filters suspended solid particles from 15 microns to 3,000 microns. The movement of the liquid is from in to out, that is from the inside of the basket to the outside, where the contaminants, or oversized particles, will be deposited on the inside periphery of the basket. There is also a pneumatic cylinder arrangement, which involved the moves of piston vertically alongside the filtering basket, with a cleaning disc arrangement, gently scraping and depositing waste contaminants into the purging chamber, where an automatic actuator valve flushes out the collected impurities, with no production loss and a continuous process. The self-cleaning filter is a type of equipment that needs no external intervention once the program is set. The PLC controls the stroke time of the piston running along the wedge wire basket. This makes sure the machine can run 24/7 without supervision. These filters are also customizable with an automatic clean-in-place system, reducing the need for manual cleaning of the filter medium and other components of the filter. The time interval for this can also be set so that the system can be cleaned regularly. The 2 separate actuator valves open and close depending upon the product oversize and set timing, reducing the product wastage and continuous material flow without stopping. There is also an optional feature available for hot water jacketing around the body to maintain the internal temperature of the liquid. For example, in the filtering of liquid chocolate, where the temperature of the liquid is to be kept at 50 to 70 degrees Celsius to prevent it from solidifying. The entire system is reliable and robustly constructed, reducing the chances of failure. It is easily assembled and disassembled as per the requirement. In conclusion, the self-cleaning filter is the process industry's most state-of-the-art filtration system, allowing minimal human interaction and providing the highest level of quality and efficiency. To know more about the self-cleaning filter, please contact our experts and subscribe to our social media platforms for more updates.